Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix one of the update services is not running properly in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open your window called Run. Here you need to type for services.msc. Click on OK once you have typed it. Okay, so wait until a new window, which is the services, will appear here in our screen. Okay, so once it's here, you can see a lot of service and system listed here. You just have to select any of the service or system, type U, and look for Update Orchestrator Service. Again, look for Update Orchestrator Service. Once you have looked for it, once you have find it, do a right click and go with Properties. Okay, so here in this window, proceed with general, go with startup type, and make sure that your startup type is being set into automatic. So if you, in your case, it is being set into automatic delayed start, manual, or disabled, make sure that it is being set into automatic. In my case, it is already being set. Click on apply and OK. Once you're done, proceed with the second service, which is Windows Update. So simply scroll down and look for it. And once it's here, just have to do a right click again, go with Properties, change the startup type into Automatic. Once done, click on Apply and then OK. So once all of these two services are being set into automatic, you just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.